What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Fuck You Goodbye by the Kid LAROI and Machine Gun Kelly. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll karate chop the back of your head into your genitalia. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you will need to capo up to the first fret. It's going to have one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, so if you need that, jump into the video description once you get done. It's there for you. Now, relative to the capo, you're going to start with your ring finger on the 7th fret and your index finger on the 5th fret. So just count starting from the capo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's where your ring finger is on A and your index finger is on the 5th fret of D. And you're going to pick A, G, D, A. And then you're going to quickly slide down to 10. And then you're going to pick, or you're going to slide it down to 10. And you're just going to pick D, which your middle finger is going to go on the 9th fret of the D, and you're going to pick D, G, D. So what that looks like is, so you're not picking on the 10th fret, you're just sliding to it. And slide down to where your ring finger's on the 3rd fret of the A and your middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the D. You're going to pick the exact same thing. Slide down to 5 and 4, pick the exact same thing. You don't pick the low A, you just, as you slide to it, you pick D, G, D. So, and that's a whole riff. That thing just repeats. So altogether, very slowly, it looks like. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.